Hey guys, it's Bob Mortgage, and here's this week's mortgage report. If you're thinking about purchasing a home, give me a call at 214-631-5626, or you can apply online at BobMortgage.com. Over the last several weeks, mortgage-backed securities have been in favor. Mortgage bonds have established an upward trend, and we've seen about a 3/8 of a point decrease over the last couple of weeks. Now, my concern from last week and going into this week is last week we were at the top of that trend line about 4 to 5 times, and we just didn't have enough volume, trading volume, to break above that trend line and establish a new resistance level. So coming into this week, I'm going to be carefully floating, and here's why. Breakouts are the exception and not the rule, and the economic calendar this week is very, very busy. We have housing data, pending home sales, and inflation data. And every action has a reaction, so I'm going to be carefully paying attention to the reaction of our markets based on what those reports say. But I am going to carefully float because I want to see if we can establish a new trend line, or if we start to see that trend line drop, I'm going to be advising my clients to lock in. And let me tell you guys, this is very, very important, and here's why, okay? I had a client call me back on, I think, August the 14th, and it was Barbara, and she was buying about a $900,000 home. And at that time, her mortgage advisor advised her to lock in. She said, hey, my loan officer said, let's lock in, okay? And she wanted to know what she should do. She wasn't even doing the loan with me, but she watches my mortgage reports. And she said, Bob, what should I do? And I told her, I said, look, we're at the bottom of the trend line back on that date. There's the economic data that was out there. What we were looking at was telling us that we could see a trend, an upward trend coming forward. And I said, look, I would call your loan officer back and I'd tell him, look, don't lock in. Well, the loan officer had already locked her in, and she called me back and said, Bob, what do I do? Can I go ahead and move my loan over to you guys and let you close the loan if interest rates drop? And I said, well, if they cannot get you a new rate, then absolutely I'll be able to take care of it for you. So that happened. The loan officer couldn't lock him in at a different rate. She called me back. We took care of the loan, and over that period of time between August 14th and now, we were able to save her close to 3/8 of a point in interest rate. Now, on that size of a loan, that's about a $220 a month payment savings, which is about $13,000 over the course of 5 years. So guys, this is important stuff. This is not loan officer stuff. This is mortgage advisor type stuff, and this is what I'm here to help you realize is there are definitely opportunities out there with someone like me as your mortgage advisor. I've been doing this for over 20 years. I've been very blessed to provide financing to over 25,000 families. I'd love to help you with your home financing options. So again, if you're out there looking at purchasing a home, give me a call, 214-631-5626, or you can apply online at BobMortgage.com.